we will form an open center vase shape. In second year we choose 4 nicely arranged branches. This is sour cherry variety Sumadinka. Prune the branch so the bud grows in the field. In third year of pruning, we are removing all branches that goes inside the crown. Open central structure keeps the tree's canopy open to light, which is necessary for the development of quality fruit. It is beneficial in supporting the heavy fruit crops of the certain stone fruit trees, since it is primarily based on the natural growth habit of the trees. Prune to completely remove limbs that are growing inward toward the center of the tree. Sumadinka is a cherry variety that ripens in June. It is a variety that has the largest fruit among sour cherries. Fruit is heart-shaped, skin red to dark red. Also remove branches that goes very low. Trees like apricots, nectarines, peaches, sour cherries and plums prefer an open center vase shape. Sumadinka can produce 20 tons per hectare. Remove branches that are low because you don't want your fruit to be on the ground. The best time to prune your fruit trees is winter or early spring, when trees are dormant. This variety of sour cherries bears on annual branches. This is the fourth year of pruning. Same thing, first remove very low and very weak branches. Remove branches that goes inside the crown. There were fruits on this part of the branch last year. Now it is bare and we are removing that part of the branch. Sumadinka requires pruning due to bare branches, which gave fruits. Also, you can do this type of pruning in summer after you pick the fruit from the tree. We prune all the branches on which the fruit was last year. This is the 5th year of pruning. Remove these strong branches that only take food from the plant. Prune to completely remove tree suckers and the water sprouts whenever they appear, not just when the tree is in dormant. There will be fruit on all these 1-year-old branches. This branch is too dominant and we will throw it out. This is the branch on which the fruit was last year, and we want to remove all such branches. This branch we can leave to produce fruit for this year, but for the next year need to be removed, because it will become dominant.